Hi, my name is Paul, owner of All Things Sewer and Drain Care. We're here today in Dollar General because they called and said that both of their bathrooms were backing up. We found a clean out in the floor here that was underneath all kinds of tape. We jetted it, camera inspected it, and we located a house trap on the other side of the building. We're going to go ahead and open that up and show you what that looks like. Stay tuned. Welcome back. We located the house trap. We're going to open it up, clean it out, and jet the line all the way to the street. Stay tuned. Okay. Both caps were opened. We were able to high pressure water jet the lines going out from this house trap all the way out to the street. Video camera inspected and everything is nice and clear. We thank you for checking out our video again. You can look us up at allthingsdrain.com.